Okay, hello everyone. Hi guys, good morning. How are you all? Good morning everyone. My name is Afreen Asmat and I welcome you all in today's session. So, I am your IEIFS and PPB educator in English medium. So, from today onwards, we are starting the new batch for the JIB. This is the new foundation batch for your JIB examination November December cycle 2025, and we are going to discuss about some basic introduction of PPB today. Today, I'm just going to give you a very simple and clear introduction of this subject without starting any unit, without touching any chapter, because that we will start from tomorrow. But before starting the units, let me explain, let me give you the overview of this complete batch plus the overview of the complete syllabus of the PPB. As you all know, PPB is the lengthiest subject of your complete syllabus. But as a banker, when I'm talking to the bankers, different bankers, they find it easy. Okay, why? Because they are familiar with the PPP's concept. They are familiar with the concepts of PPP. Whatever we are discussing in the PPP, they are familiar with these concepts, right? And so bankers find it easier, the subject easier. This is although a very lengthy topic. Bankers usually are very confident in this PPP. But this examination cycle, when we are talking about the May 2025, it actually take a U-turn in the PPB. What we expect in the PPB from the last four cycle of the examination, this cycle was completely opposite to that. Very tough, very lengthy paper. Very lengthy means the bankers were saying, ma'am, we don't even read the full and the complete paper. The paper was so lengthy. Second, the paper was so difficult. There were a lot of numericals which were asked in this examination cycle of PPP, right? So obviously we have to change our discussion method. We have to change our thoughts from this examination, and now we have to prepare accordingly. Although it is a easy subject for all of you, but still we have to do a lot of preparation this time in this subject because the previous exam was very tough of PPB, right? Hi, guy three, voice breaking. Just a second. I think everything is clear right now. Just a second. Okay. Just a second. Give me 1 minute. Okay. So now everything is clear, guys. Now everything is clear, everyone. Now my voice is clear. Am I audible to everyone? Yes or no? Now everything is clear. Yes or no, guys? Just please comment once. Yes, ma'am, now clear. Okay, thank you so much. Okay, thank you. Okay, so I welcome you all. Hi, Nak. So, obviously, from this voice break, at least you all bankers have commented, and I have read your names Gayatri, Bashir, Nag. Hi, hello, everyone. And there is one more. I think Reddy. Okay, so hi everyone, good morning, and I welcome you all in today's introduction session for PPB. So, I was telling that PPB examination was very tough this time, right? This previous exam cycle was very tough. So, we have to prepare PPB according to that standard, which was set by IIBF previously in the previous exam, right? So, today is the basic introduction session. In today's session, I'm just going to give you a complete overview of this syllabus of PPB. What is the module wise weightage? In which module we have to focus more, in which we have to focus less, how I am going to teach you in this foundation batch, plus what are your responsibility in this foundation batch, right? So this is the complete introduction session for PPB. So let's start discussing. First of all, the very basic overview. Very basic overview. We know that in the examination, we are getting 100 MCQs. Now, this 100 MCQs are approximately we are getting 100 MCQs. Why approximately? Because here plus minus is normal. Sometimes we are getting 95. Sometimes we are getting 103, 104 MCQs, right? So 100 MCQs is the usual pattern. Maximum marks is 100 marks, right? Maximum marks cannot fluctuate, but thus 100 MCQ pattern can fluctuate. Sometimes it is lesser, sometimes it is equal, sometimes it is more, right? Next is duration. It is of 2 hours plus passing marks. Very easy, 50 out of 100. There is no negative marking in this examination till now. So you have to attempt all the questions confidently, because if you are getting it wrong, there is no negative marking in the examination. Right? Now, next thing. When we are talking about this batch, as I have already told you, that from now onwards we have to focus more and more on PPP, right? Because earlier the bankers usually think that PPP topic was very easy. We are bankers, we are familiar with the topic, we can understand each and every topic in the PPP. That is all correct, but this examination actually changed everything. So now we have to focus equally on PPB, that we were focusing more on IEIFS, okay, and less on PPB, but now onwards we have to focus on both the subject equally, right? So in PPB, when this batch is concerned and when you all are concerned, the first and the very important thing is your consistency. All I demand from you is your consistency. There is no rocket science in this subject. But this subject, because it is a very lengthy subject, so all this subject needs is your consistency. And what I meant from this word consistency is actually attending the class. Don't miss out the session at any cost. See, I am going to discuss one unit in one day, right? So you are expected in each and every class. Don't miss out the class. First of all, just try to attend the live class as much as possible. Live class, why? Because there is plus point in the live class. You are getting the live session as per your convenience, as per your time, early morning or late evening. Second thing, in the live class you are just easy, means whatever the doubts coming in the class, you just ask that doubt in the real time, right? So live classes, just try to attend the live classes as much as possible. But in case you are missing out the live classes, sometimes the situations are where you don't have the time to to attend the live classes. Don't worry for that, go for the recorded one. If you are missing out the live classes, you don't have to skip that unit. You just go to the recorded class, because you have the recorded class convenience, right? So you can just watch that recorded class in your own time, pause, replay, note down your important points and everything. All I meant to say is maintain your consistency at all time. Don't miss out any session, either live or record. Just attend the class, right? Now, the second very important thing that you have to focus is read out your PDF. See, learning during your class is only 60% of your preparation. Yes, I'm right. When you are learning in the class, right, you are getting everything. Okay, but you will forget that in some time. Okay, why? Because you haven't revised it, you haven't read the content carefully. And that's why I have always told to the bankers that please just attend the live classes. But if you are missing out live classes, don't worry, go for the recorded one. And after that, you have to read the PDF in the same day. If morning I have finished banker customer relationship, you have full day. to read, just take 10 minutes extra time. And in 10 minutes, just read the complete PDF, whatever I have given to you, right? PDF has everything important marked. Whenever I'm making the PDF, everything is marked properly there. Most important with the green highlight, less important with yellow, less important with dark blue, normal context in white color. Everything you are getting carefully and very visible, right? So all you have to do is to after attending the class, you have to read the PDF carefully. Once you have read the PDF, then you have 100% of the concept clarity in your mind, right? So first is thing, you have to attend the class. Second, you have to read the PDF, and lastly, you have to weekly revise the sessions. Now, weekly revision, it is as per your convenience. If you want to weekly revise it from the video, fast forward it, okay? Speed, just make it in the high speed, revise all the videos. If not, just read out the PDF, okay? That is also fine. But read out the complete, whatever I have taught you in the complete 1 week, you have to revise it at least in 1 day, right? So this is how you are going to prepare for your foundation batch. Let me talk about myself. I am going to give you each and every unit in detail because this is a foundation batch. I'm not going to leave anything. I am going to give you everything which is important for your examination, right? So I am from my side giving you the 100% syllabus, complete chapter, all the units, all the important points, and everything. Now what I demand from you is your consistency, your time, your revisions, and the PDF readings, right? Now let's talk about the complete syllabus of PPB. PPP is divided into four modules, module A, B, C, and D, right? Module A have 21 units. 21 units, it is all about the general banking operations, right? Very lengthy. Module A and module B, they are equally important. They are of equal weightage and they are equally tough, right? From module A and module B. If we talk about module B has approximately same 20 to 21 units, right? Functions of bank is module B. General banking operation is module A. I always recommend banker that make either A or B as your favorite module. Why I'm saying that favorite module? Because you don't have to miss the other module. If you're choosing A, you don't have to miss B. If you are choosing B, you don't have to miss A. All you have to do is focus more on your favorite, less on the other module, right? Because module A and B, they are very lengthy, and completing both the module is actually a challenge for the banker. So for making it a little easier, I always say just choose A or B as your favorite. If you're choosing A as your favorite, just go very deep in A and less on B. If you're choosing B, go in very detail in B and less on A, right? But you have to learn the both module, right? You don't have to lose any module. Why? Because we have a lot of time. We have a lot of time. It is not that our exam is on next month. No, it we have 3 to 4 months for preparation, right? So we have to choose one, either B or A, as our favorite modules. Now let's talk about module C, right? Bashir, now voice is again breaking. And everyone else, if you are encountering the same problem, Gayatri, voice is breaking, ma'am, again. Okay, so don't worry. I'm just, okay, just a second. Okay, give me 1 minute. I'm just again refreshing the class. Okay, now I think everything is good. Okay, so banking technology, right? Module C is all about banking technology, right? When we are talking about the banking technology, module C is actually very scoring, very scoring. Banking technology is very scoring for all of you. We have only 9 units. It is very scoring. It is all about the new technologies which are introduced in the banking system. Easy on you, okay? Very scoring. And the module B, we have only 5 units, and that completely surrounds around the ethics, right? Module D and module B, sorry, module D and module C. You have to learn this module in every circumstances. So from my suggestion, if I'm looking for the combination, it is either A plus C plus D or go for B plus C plus D. Okay. We don't have to leave any module completely, first of all. If I'm going to prepare for my PPB examination, I just choose this combination. A, C, and D. I'm going in very deep in this A, C, and D and just reading the B module, right? Or if I'm choosing this, B, C, and D. I'm going in very deep in B, C, and D and just reading out the module A. So this is as per your convenience how you can prepare, how you can choose and pick your favorite module. And from A and B, comparatively, module A is easier from B from my point of view because module A is general banking operations. Okay, so you are all dealing with it like current account, saving account, different type of customers and everything. So module A is comparatively easier than module B, right? Now, the last thing is module wise weightage. If I'm talking about the module wise weightage, A and B, they have the equal weightage. 35% they have equal weightage in the examination. Then we have C, and then lastly we have D. So D and C, they are very scoring. You have to cover, if you have covered D and C, you have covered 30%. Now choose A and B. Either A or B, you have covered 35%. So 75% is done, right? So this type of combination will help you in your examination to clear your examination in a better way, right? So this is your module wise weightage. So this is the complete introduction session for all of you. I know you have encountered some problem today because of the voice issue. Just don't worry, this is the basic introduction. Okay, we are starting the complete units from tomorrow onward. The timing for your class is daily at 8 a.m. You will have your PPB session daily at 8 a.m. from Tuesday to Sunday. Okay. Thank you so much, everyone. Thank you, Gayatri. Thank you, Bashir. Thank you, Reddy. Thank you, Nag. Thank you, everyone who have joined this session. Thank you so much. Take care. Have a very nice day. From tomorrow onward, we are starting the units. We are starting the module C. Now, first, in this particular batch, I am going to give you module C first, right? Module B first. So I'm starting from module B. From tomorrow, we are starting from module B. Then I'm going module C, then module A, right? So module C, then D, then module B, B, C, and D, and A I am giving you in the recorded session. Okay. Thank you so much. Thank you, everyone. Take care. Thank you so much, guys. Take care, everyone. Bye bye. Bye, everyone. Take care.